Well, I thought I'd share with you how to do the branch logic for Google Forms that we talked about in SP Chat. So I'm in here. I'm going to go ahead and start a new Google Form. So go New, More, Google Forms, and it'll pop up. I'm actually going to use this for my expectations quiz that I'm doing with my students. So the first thing I want to ask is what class you're in. And I usually create one that is silly because sometimes kids don't actually pay attention and they click wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and type in some of my class. I use the names of the teachers instead of a period number. Then what I'm going to do is come over and create a new section. So that's these two little bars here. Go down and I'm going to add in their names again. So this is the Millman class section. And then the next one is Wu. Next one would be Leahy. And my last one is Mac. Now, what I want to do is come up here to Millman. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and add in a question of who the student is. What is your name? I'm going to show you a little trick right here. We'll make it a multiple choice question. So I'm going to come up here real quick. I'm going to switch over. Here is my roll sheet. I made up one just for this class. And I copied and pasted them. And then I'm going to come over here, erase option 1, and I'm going to hit paste. And it should show up all of the students here for my class roster. So they can go ahead and pick their name. Now, I'm going to keep doing this for the other classes, but to come up here to show you branch logic, click on the class. What class are you in? Come down to the 3 dots in the lower corner. Go to section based on the answer. And then I'm going to come up here, I don't know. I'm going to force it to go back to the first part, which is here. Millman, I'm going to go ahead and click to Millman. Wu, I'm going to come over here and go to the Wu section. Leahy, go to the Leahy section. And Mac is going to go to the Mac section. Now the only other thing that I need to do then is to create the quiz part, which I am going to create down below. And I can start adding in my questions for my quiz. And when I get done, I can make sure that it submits it to the last section here. So hopefully this is helpful. Don't forget to rename your document so that it's easier to find later. And this is branch logic.